Our project is done by HAYlee Moiser, Domenic Marola, Jackie Skirker, and Megan Robson. Our topic is costume design, and we are focusing specifically on costume designer Colleen Atwood. To begin, we started brainstorming. We started thinking about what we already knew and about costume design and Colleen Atwood, so we constructed a list of keywords that we could use to begin our research. Some of these keywords include costume design, Hollywood costume design, modern costume design, Colleen Atwood, costume design in film, Oscar-winning films such as Memoirs of Geisha, Chicago, and Alice in Wonderland.
One of the requirements was to find a trade journal, so we went to the Hollywood Reporter and searched one of our key phrases, costume design in film. We scrolled down to an article entitled 10-time Oscar nominee Colleen Atwood on Snow White and the Huntsman's costume design. The article was a question-and-answer interview with Colleen Atwood that describes her techniques with costume design.
Once we had found our trade journal, next on the list of requirements was for us to find a book source. So, looking into the book source, we decided to go to the library search catalog, and we searched for the term costume design. Pretty straightforward. Looking through the list of books at the library, we found one called Costume Design, Theory, Technique, and Style by Douglas A. Russell, which was pretty simple to find on the library floor once we found it, and has proved to be super useful so far in our research.
One of the other sources we found is a scholarly article. Glitch. We started on HWS's Library Services website. From the drop-down menu, we chose the database JSTOR. Once on JSTOR, using the advanced search, we typed in costume design and meaning. Then we set the restriction that we only wanted articles in English. We ended up finding an article called Design as Meaning, Making from Making Things to the Design of Thinking. The article discusses costume design as a communication technique.
We decided to look at the International Movie Database. There we studied Colleen Atwood's filmography and constructed a list of films to view. After viewing multiple films, we began seeing connections for ourselves between our sources we had chosen and Colleen Atwood's costume design. In Memoirs of a Geisha, the scholarly journal, Design as Meaning, from Making Things to Design of Thinking, we saw her communication of the characters' roles and personalities with the costumes specifically in terms of their colorings. This helped us to decide which sources would be the best to use and which ones worked most appropriately with the films that we decided to view.
Thank you very much. This has been our research process with the group Costume Design, Colleen Atwood by HAYlee, Megan, Domenic, and Jackie.